So in this video we are looking at a news basically saying that PTON stock is basically taken out of Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq 100. So what it means is if the stock is coming out, all the funds which are basically replicating PTON, replicating Nasdaq 100 has to also remove PTON. So there will be a lot of more selling pressure in addition to already selling pressure because of fundamentals. Okay, let's look at the technical chart. Okay, so I'm on the weekly time frame. Okay, we are on the weekly CPR, so you can see that CPR is coming down. All the time frames are negative. Okay, you can see that the sell volume is 100%, which I'm not sure because we need to be live to see the data like this. So the RSI is negative, volume pressure is heavy on downside. Okay, so all these are basically negative. So how you want to take the trade? Okay, so you want to wait for the first 1 hour. Okay, first 1 hour on a 1 hour chart, first 1 hour, and see how the candle opens. You want to see a candle like this, right? The first candle has to be like this. Okay, and if it's still below the CPR, it's not moving up, you can take the trade. What are the different options, right, to take the trade to the downside? Okay, so let's go to the all products. So I can also see here I have an indicator which basically tells me which strike the open interest has increased, right? So for example, in this open interest there is a lot of increase, 82%, 124%, right? So here 2000 open interest is there. So that basically means that a lot of smart money is predicting that that's the place stock is going to go down to within this, by this week, right, 28th of January. So you can also see that the daily the volatility is very high. The stock can move 4%, right, $4.66 between now and Jan 28. That's what the probability is, one standard deviation probability. Okay, so let's say I know I want to say, okay, this is where there's a lot of open interest. I want to I think the stock is going to go here, so I can also buy a put. Okay, so if you click on it, you're buying a put. Okay, so if you do the analysis here, risk profile. Okay, so remove that. So you can see that you make money, the stock goes down, right, 28, and it goes down like that. Okay, that's okay, so you don't make money if the stock goes up. Okay, so that's one option. Okay, let's look at the second option. Okay, delete. Now I'm going to go here, right click, buy a butterfly. Okay, so butterfly basically means I sell 2 puts on this 28 on the strike 25, and I buy one on the top 26 and then below 24. Okay, so this is what is a butterfly. So we are on the put side. That way we are saying that the stock has to go down to 25 for us to make maximum profit, and we are only going to lose $4 debit. Okay, so if you look at here, so you will maximum you lose is $6. Okay, the maximum profit is $96, right? $4 you are investing $6 to make $4, so $96, right? So it's probably 10 times the return, 9 to 10 times the return. Okay, okay, so now let's go and see the profile, risk profile here. I click analyze trade. So you want to take this out, trade, analyze trade. Okay, so here if you see here, so the maximum profit will be happening when stock is coming to 25, right? You make maximum profit when stock comes to 25, right? So if you will basically break even at these 2 points here, 23. If stock goes to 23, you break even. If it goes to 26, you break even, right? So if it stays still there, you will break even. Okay, so after this 28 you lose money. If it is 22, you also lose money. Okay. So basically, the stock has to come and stop here before the 28th. Okay. So this is how you can take the trade to the downside without shorting the stock, right? So this is much more less risk, and you only lose that $6 maximum. Okay. If you take 10, let's say you want to take 5 contracts, the maximum loss is 30%, $30, and then maximum profit is $480. Okay. So this is a good. This will probably be a good trade because you have two negatives. One is the stock is already downtrending because of the fundamentals. Second one is it's getting removed from Nasdaq. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions and if you want some of the indicators, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.